Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1. Start. It is there. Yes, I am happy to note it. That is the only way. It is very embarrassing that our parliament does not have this system, because without it the budgetary discussion will be hardly of any meaning and substance. Please see what is the result of this little time that is devoted for discussion on the demands. The Honorable Finance Minister has rightly pointed out in his budget speech that there are two major problems that confront him, and the country and the finance ministry must address them with a sense of utmost priority. One is the question of the budgetary deficit in general, and the other is the specific question of balance of payments. Now, the balance of payments is basically sought to be redressed through the Ministry of Commerce, basically. So, the balance of payments problem is a priority problem to be discussed in the budget, and the Ministry of Commerce is the main instrument for redressing the balance of payments. But the Ministry of Commerce has not been discussed in this year's demand. So, in this type of situation, it really shows how meaningless it gets. I would again repeat what I said a few moments back in a cooler atmosphere, that we are not here merely in that sense. I meant what I said. We are not here merely just to speak on any matter so long as we get a chance. We are here to do substantial work to redress the grievances of the people, and not merely giving speeches for the sake of speaking will not take us anywhere. This will be just speechifying, unless certain committees are there that sit throughout the year, develop a sense of specialization within the limitations, and then really have a close look at the budget. Now, see the budgetary deficit. That is the main problem according to the finance minister. With all the sympathy and respect the House has, and I have personally, for the finance minister, I would only say that he has admitted that that is his main problem, but he has done nothing about it. No specific measure has the finance minister taken, and nothing is disclosed which is meant to effectively control the budgetary deficit. Now, it is not his fault. It is not the fault of his government. That is the situation of the government, a minority government dependent on antagonist forces for its survival. What can they do? Stop. Thank you.